So why Python for data science? So this is the question which we'll try to answer in this video. So there are many reasons, but here I have enlisted a few. Right? So one of the very important reason is Python is very simple language to learn, right? A novice or a person who is not very well versed with programming languages, so he can very easily, if he is just starting learning programming, he can very easily learn Python programming language. And if you already know C, C++, Java, then it will be a cakewalk for you, right? So it will not be very difficult to learn Python if you already know the programming language like C, C++, Java. The other very important reason for studying Python for data science is Python has these libraries, right? Matplotlib, NumPy, SciPy, scikit-learn, right? So these libraries are widely used for uh, data science, in data science or in machine learning. So the idea is when we use this library, we need not write the complete code for any of the machine learning algorithm. So there are already, the code is already written and we just need to import that code, just need to give a call to that particular algorithm, right? So that's one of the very important reason for studying Python or for going for Python rather than going for C, C++, Java, because this Python has a wide library base. So the one more thing is there is something called as TensorFlow, which is implemented by Google, and that is mainly used for deep learning applications or for doing deep learning programming, right? So this TensorFlow, Python supports this TensorFlow, right? So apart from this, this Python has very interactive notebook. This is the user interface for writing, or this is the editor for writing the Python code. And this IPython notebook, it's very simple and interactive notebook which is used to write Python code, which will do for data analysis, which will use for writing code for data analysis and data modeling. Right. Now, one of the beauty of this IPython notebook is you can write the code once and you can share that IPython notebook with anyone, right? So that's one more reason why we go for this uh, Python. Also, Python is extensively used in industry, right? So in real life projects, this Python is extensively used, right? Now the question is, no, why not R? R is another programming language which is again used by many people for data science. But the reason why we will choose Python over this R is specific to the statistical applications or for doing statistical computation, right? This is not a very general purpose programming language. On the contrary, this Python is not only limited to statistical applications or statistical programming, but it is a very general purpose programming language. If you know Python, you can definitely do data science or machine learning, write machine learning applications or write machine learning code, data science code. But apart from that, you can write any general purpose code if you know Python. So these are few reasons why we'll go for Python or why we'll study Python instead of any other programming language for data science.